What's up YouTube, it's your boy FX Team right back with another video. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to trade the forex market, stick to the channel. If you're interested in seeing my day in my life, stick to the channel. Okay, so let's get to the video. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like my videos for more. Welcome back to yet another video, guys. My name is Timothy. For those of you that don't know my name, and for those of you that are new to the channel, okay, this channel is basically talking about all things forex. Alright, all things forex, that's what basically this channel is talking about. And if you are interested in learning how to trade the forex market and interested in seeing a day in my life, okay, then you have to stick to the channel, because that's each and every single video I'll be dropping for the channel. Alright, I'm basically documenting my life here on YouTube. Okay, so without further explanation, let's just quickly go to the video. Right, I basically been created an SMC course. Just go to my playlist here, all right, on YouTube. Just go over to the playlist. You see an SMC strategy and day in the life, right? If you want to learn, click and go to SMC trading strategy, because SMC trading strategy is basically trading like the banks, but not really the banks, so about trading like the banks. So if you're interested in learning that sort of strategy, click to the playlist and watch, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into the video. Alright, let me basically turn on my auto rotate, guys. So let's flip around. Alright, so this is basically GBP USD, guys. GBP USD. So hope you could see that. Alright, so if you want to do your analysis on GBP or basically other pairs, right, if you want to have a detailed analysis, okay, let's basically analyze gold, because probably some traders find it difficult to spot out an entry on gold, because and always afraid of gold, because basically gold is way more volatile than each and every other pairs, currency pairs, though not synthetic and index and the rest of them, right? Other currency pairs, gold moves faster than them, right? And banks a whole lot of movement in each pips movement. Alright, so let's quickly dive in. Alright, the video of today for the SMC, I'll basically be uploading that on the playlist. Alright, if you are new to the channel, watch the top videos to this one, because I'm basically going to be breaking down each and every single thing you need to know about SMC trading strategy and how to be profitable in it. Alright, the last video was previously chalk change of character. Alright, how to spot an entry and change of character. Now basically how to spot an entry, I'm still going to create a separate video on that, how to identify a change of character in the market. Alright, right here in this video I'll be listing them and be dropping them as a video. Alright, I'm not going to be I'm not going to put out the whole list out. I'm going to be putting the whole list on each single video. Alright, so it gets to be detailed and you get to learn. Alright, so on this version of this video, basically going to be looking into break of structures. Alright, break of structures, break of structures. Yeah, the last video was change of character. Right now now we're going to be looking into a break of structure. What is basically break of structure? A total and a complete market shift in structure. Alright, so on a plain sheet, this is basically XAUSD, which is gold. Alright, right here, this level right now, which you could spot as the overall high once market taps into this zone. Right, as you can see, here was the overall high. The market made its way all the way down. Right, made all the way down, tapped, pulled up again, made up its way down, then tapped again, forming it a double button, then made its way up. Right, broke the structure, which is this structure, broke the structure. Okay, right here was a change of character. Go to my previous videos, you will see how to spot a change of character. Right here was a change of character, and once market changed its character, it then came back or put up and broke the structure, telling us that the overall movement right here on gold, guys, watch this. Gold, I'm forecasting news. next movement on gold, guys. You need to learn. Alright. Click to the channel. If you're liking my video, don't forget to like the video. Alright. So right now you're spotting your break of structure, which is this right here. Market pulled up again, creating another overall high. Then again broke the structure again, guys. Market broke the structure again, telling us that a whole lot of buyers are in the market. For aggressive traders that choose to go in, might probably be entering here at this level. Once market is breaking the structure, they might probably be entering at this level. Their stop loss within the next low. Alright, because once you want to input your stop loss in this trading strategy, your stop loss should be below the next low. Then you target 1:2 or 1:3. Alright, at this trade you could currently see 1:2 the risk to reward ratio. You're already out. Alright, mind you, this is a 1 day time frame, so you're gonna be banking a whole lot of pips. Alright, risking 5,000 pips, which is 500 pips, to bank how much pips? 1,000 pips. Alright, 10,000 pips, which is a 1,000 pips. Alright, risking 500 pips. Alright, basically it's much, but we aren't aggressive traders, so we're gonna be entering at this level. We are not gonna be entering at this level, guys. But if you want to choose to enter, you go over to the lower time frame, which is basically your 4 hour or your 1 hour. Pick your entries, or your 15 minutes time frame. Pick your entries. Alright, but we're not gonna be looking into that. Let's take it out. Alright, let's move back down to let's stick to 4 hours right now, which is basically top down analysis. Alright, at this level right here, market broke the structure. Alright, because basically on a 1 day time frame, you're not gonna be picking your entries on 1 day time frame and entry at that zone. You basically move to lower time frame and spot any support level that market has already broke. Alright, so resistance turns to support. Alright, once market comes back at the level, that's when you're gonna be picking your entry. I was still gonna be creating a separate video on how to find your support or resistance level. Alright, as you can see at this level right now, right here was the resistance level, and at the top was the support level. But what did you notice? Market broke it all the way up. Market broke at this level. Right, you could basically see market broke, made it to all the way level, then turning this resistance level into a support level. You pick your entry, you go. Alright, so let's basically watch how many risk to reward ratio this trade gives us. Alright, if you're picking these entries, mind you, start from the higher time frame down to the best time frame you choose to pick your entries, guys. If you like the 4 hours, picking your entries, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, good and fine. Right, your stop loss below the next low or above the next high. Alright, vice versa. Alright, then risking how much pips? Risking 169 pips in targeting how much? 722 pips. Alright, which is basically the overall high. That's what we're gonna be targeting on this trade. Alright, then at this case scenario now, you notice that market, let's take this out, market broke a structure again, right, telling us that that buyers are still in the market. Right, that's what basically market is basically trying to tell us. If market fails to take this high out at this level, so let's watch out what's happening here. Market failed to take this high, failed to break the high at this level, still telling us that market sellers are still in the market. Okay, what did market basically do? Market dropped to fulfill the retracement of this support level at this zone, then taps its way all up again. Right, for those that know your support and resistance level, if you don't know, I've created a video on that on my channel. You go and watch it. Alright, if you don't know how to spot your support and resistance level continuously, once market keeps moving, you keep spotting your support and resistance level, which is the highs it's making or the lows that it's making. Alright, so market came back right down for the fulfillment of this support level, then broke the structure. Alright, with a long bullish candlestick, then pulled back at the resistance level that turns to support. Alright, check my channel, you get to see the video. Alright, a resistance level that turns to support. Alright, you should also consider taking your buy entry at this level again. Alright, mind you, I will still create a video on how to refine your support and resistance level, then your stop loss above the next low or above the next high. Then you target the overall high, no matter the risk to reward ratio it gives you. Just let it be a short trade, a win trade. Alright, no matter the risk to reward. If it is 1:1, good and fine. If it is 1:2, good and fine. But you are assured the market is gonna go hit your take profit. Alright, then that is why you could apply proper leveraging, which is basically what lot size. Alright, you choose the lot size you use. Okay, this trade basically over 3 risks to 1:3 risks to reward, so it's a good trade. Alright, hope you see how we keep spotting our entries and market keeps playing out. Right, so at this case scenario, what is happening at this zone? Alright, what is happening here at this zone is our support level. Right, mind you, at this zone right here, that's where we pick our entry. At this zone is our support level, so you should be tempting for the market to come back at the support level, then you pick your entries again. Alright, which basically we know that our market has already broken the structure, which is break of structure. Alright, you choose your support level and resistance level. Alright, here was the previous support, and at this high was the previous resistance. The market broke it, turning it a resistance level that turns to a support, which you basically be finding to market to come back at this level, then continue its way, come back at this level, and then continue its way up. But market failed to do that. Then okay, let me take this out. Market failed to do that. The market broke its way down. Also attempting it to come back to our previous support level. Alright, then you pick your buy again. Alright, so at this case scenario, what did you basically notice? Market put back to our support level, previous support level, which is basically this. Then your stop loss should be above the next low, or within the next, or closely to the next low. Alright, closely to take the next low out. Alright, so you put your stop loss or you bring it close. Alright, where is our next low, guys? I couldn't see this low. At this low right here, this is another low. Right, I was targeting this low here. Alright, I was targeting this low above. I could probably see next low at this level. Alright, so let's take this out. Alright, so your stop loss should be below the next low. Right, should, in case this trade should take you out, or any case you will still find your position to enter, guys, then your target should be the next overall high, which causes the next break of structure. Alright, guys, how do you understand break of structure in what I've been explaining? Break of structure is basically the break of the overall high. Alright, changing the whole character to remain its movement. Alright, remain its direction. Sorry, not movement. Alright, it could basically be movement, but to be specific in its direction, guys. Okay, so once a break of structure occurs, then look out for a further continuation of that same direction. Alright, mind you, each and every single thing works. Alright, this break of structure works the most on higher time frames. Alright, so spot them on higher time frame, then come down to your lower time frame and basically spot your entries. Alright, which is knowing your support and resistance level and picking the next entry. Once market break structure, comes back to the next support, that to next resistance level that turns to support, or the overall support level, then pick your entries from that zone. Alright, so basically we still be dropping how to refine your support level and how to refine your resistance level to pick a sniper entry or non-sniper entry, but risking low and maximizing your profit. Alright, with this video and the rest of the video, hope you basically understood how to spot out your break of structure in the market. Alright, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I'll basically be posting each and every single knowledge on how to trade the forex market and how to find your edge in the forex market. Alright, don't forget, practice this, learn how to spot your break of structure and a change of character. Hit me back in the right next video, then we'll continue with the SMC strategy. With that said,